In this video, we're going to go over installing Openpilot on a 2018 Cadillac ATS. We have three components to install: an Eon, a Panda, and a GM Giraffe. We're not going to go over installing the Eon because that's going to be the same in pretty much any car. To install the Panda, we simply locate the car's OBD2 port on the left side of the dash and plug it in. Next, we'll move to the trunk and look at replacing the ASCM with the GM Giraffe. Here are some tools you're going to need to get at your ASCM. First, you need a T40 Torx. Next is a plastic trim removal tool and a plastic clip removal tool. Let's remove these plastic clips. This trim panel is the first thing you remove. Once you remove the T40 Torx, you just pop these clips out by pulling the panel. Those have to come out first. They have the T40 Torx and some plastic covers you use the trim tool on. Once that trim panel is out, you can pull out some of the plastic clips in this side panel here, pull it back, and that gets you to the ASCM. If you'd like to see this in more detail, look up instructions for replacing the battery on your ATS. First, remove the two plugs plugged into the ASCM. There are two tabs to depress on either side of the ASCM and one in front of the case. Once you've released those, you can sneak the ASCM out. Now that you've removed the ASCM, you can replace it with your GM Giraffe. Installation is reverse of a removal.